This is Series 1, Episode 20. I'm going to be talking about a company called Datadog, ticker symbol DDOG. I have to use different charting software now, guys, because what I found was I was using Yahoo Finance deliberately so that people could see the same information that I was looking at. But what I found is it's lagging sometimes, and the price action is a day or so behind. So I'm starting to use some different software here just to illustrate what my thought process is about this particular company. Now, what I've got on the charts here, guys, is weekly price bars. Each bar represents 1 week of price action. Let me just tell you a bit about the company first of all. Datadog is a software as a service company offering monitoring for enterprise businesses. Please have a look at their website. They are worth market capitalization is $32 billion. I can see every quarter sales and earnings are up quarter after quarter after quarter, so it's strong, and I see over 800 funds behind this one, so that's institutional ownership. The market is run by institutions, so if you can get these stocks that have big institutions behind them, you've got more chance of success. So this one, like I said, is over 800 funds, and some of the fund ownership is some big names holding this stock, so it's definitely got the support we need. So if I'm correct and we can get in this and trade it, then we've got the backing of the institutions, which is what you want. So like I said, again, this is the weekly chart. If I show you why I'm using this, the daily is just a mess. It's just all over the place. So it's really hard for me to explain what I'm seeing. So I'll go back to the weekly and I'll do my best to explain my thought process. So from here up to here, you see price gets to here, carries through, creates a high. That is then resistance. Comes down. This is now forming a low. It's not a perfect drawing, guys, but I hope you get the point. Price comes back up, tests the high, but this time goes straight through the high, carries on, up to $120 here. Then takes a staggering drop all the way back down to $80. So it's a volatile beast, this one. So at this point we're down here, $80. Come back up, retest this 100 again. This time we are holding above the $100, up, down. The institutions pushed it lower, came back up. So this shows to me that the $100 mark, the $100 level for this particular stock is holding nicely. It's again trying to take a test of the recent high, which is $120, near enough. It's 120 thereabouts, guys. It's not perfect, this chart. So $120 is here, $100 is here. Now, when price tried to attack that $120, it failed again, indicating a strong resistance. So when I say resistance, I mean like a ceiling. It's like bashing your head against a ceiling, you can't get through it. Now, price is on its way back down to this 100 level again. We know that historically, price has struggled at the 100 level and eventually it's started to hold at this $100 level. That's what this line represents. So if we see the price of Datadog stock at $100, I believe that there's a strong probability it's going to hold. So we need to watch it, guys. Get it on your radar. If it holds, the chances are it's going to try and retest this high again, which is $120. So what I'm trying to do with all these videos, guys, is get trades on your radar before the moves take place, so you can see and get ready. And this is exactly what I'm doing here. Datadog, $100. Is it going to make it there? Quite possibly. Then we pay attention, and then we make a decision. Do we get in? Do we leave it? All I can tell you is, like I said at the beginning of the video, there's a lot of institutions behind this one. That's always going to help. And this support, we can see that this is now becoming solid support. So why wouldn't it hold? Well, we don't know. Let's see what happens. Currently price is at $105, and the date today is the 20th of February 2021. Let's see what happens on Datadog, guys. I'll do another video soon. Thank you. Speak to you soon. Bye.